Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so excited to share today's review because, let's face it, we all love a good quick fix to keep our skin fresh, and sometimes we just want something super gentle that gets the job done without any fuss. And that's exactly where the Aveeno Calm Restore Unscented Makeup Remover Face Wipes come in. These little towelettes are designed to make your cleansing routine effortless, all while being incredibly soothing. Now, before we dive in, let me set the stage for you. These are pre-moistened face wipes, crafted with oat extract and calming Feverfew, so they're meant to leave your skin feeling nourished and balanced, not stripped. They're fragrance-free, which is a huge plus for those of us with sensitive skin or a low tolerance for strong scents. Oh, and did I mention they're alcohol-free too? No more drying out your skin in the process. These wipes are designed to remove makeup, dirt, and oil with minimal effort. Yes, even stubborn waterproof mascara. They're dermatologist recommended, and 92% of users agree they're gentle on the skin. Plus, they're made from 100% plant-based cloth fibers, so you can feel good about the eco-friendly aspect as well. No residue, no irritation, just smooth, fresh skin. Now let's talk about how they perform in real life. I've been using these wipes for a couple of weeks, and here's what I found. They're super soft and moist, which makes them easy to use without feeling like you're tugging at your skin. The best part? You don't need to rinse after use. Just a few gentle swipes over your face, neck, and even your eyes, and your skin feels clean and refreshed. No greasy afterfeel, just that perfect balance of softness and comfort. They're perfect for when I need a quick cleanup or after a long day when I'm too tired to go through an elaborate skincare routine. Let's break down the good and the not so good. First, the pros. These wipes are so gentle, they didn't cause any irritation, even around my sensitive eye area. They easily remove makeup without leaving any residue behind, and they leave my skin feeling hydrated, not stripped. I also love that they're fragrance-free, which is often a deal breaker for me, especially with makeup removers that can leave that overpowering scent lingering. The cons? Honestly, if I had to nitpick, the only thing I'd mention is that they're not as refreshing as some wipes with a menthol or citrus scent, but that's really just personal preference. Plus, if you're looking for something that can exfoliate or deeply cleanse, these won't do the job. They're just a gentle wipe, nothing more. As for value, these wipes come in a pack of 25, and given their gentle, soothing formula, I'd say they're worth the price. If you have sensitive skin, or you're just looking for a mild, everyday makeup remover, they're a solid choice. They're not as cheap as some of the generic wipes, but the quality and gentle formulation justify the price in my opinion. When comparing them to other makeup wipes out there, Aveeno's Calm Restore wipes definitely stand out with their calming ingredients like oat extract and Feverfew, which are pretty rare in wipes. They're also free of parabens, dyes, sulfates, and phthalates, which is a huge bonus for those of us trying to avoid harsh chemicals in our skincare. Other wipes may be more budget-friendly, but they often contain more irritating ingredients or fragrances. As for build quality, these wipes are soft, sturdy, and the packaging is easy to use. I like that the packaging helps the wipes stay moist without drying out, which can be an issue with some other wipes that come in flimsy or poorly sealed packages. Now, I haven't had a direct experience with Aveeno's customer service for this product, but Aveeno as a brand is well known for being responsive and reliable, especially when it comes to skincare concerns. They've built a solid reputation for customer care, so I trust they'd handle any inquiries well. If you're someone who needs a more intense cleanser or makeup remover, you might find these wipes not quite cutting it. But if you're after something gentle, soothing, and effective for everyday use, these are a fantastic option. Overall, I'd recommend the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Makeup Remover Wipes for anyone with sensitive skin or those who are looking for a quick and easy way to clean their face without the harsh chemicals. They're gentle, soothing, and really do a good job of leaving your skin feeling fresh and comfortable. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Your support helps us keep creating honest, thoughtful content for beauty lovers like you. Thank you for joining me today. If you've tried these wipes, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.